Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace screen on 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Start by disconnecting the battery and clearing a clean workspace with parts tray below the dash. Remove center trim panels carefully using plastic tools, then unscrew the radio bezel and display mounting hardware. Keep fasteners organized and label connectors to simplify reassembly. If you feel any resistance, stop and reassess to avoid damaging clips or cables. With trim removed, unscrew the display mounting bolts and ease the screen forward slowly. Identify and unlock each wiring connector by lifting the small retaining tabs before pulling the plugs free. Inspect the cable ends for any bent pins or damaged insulation and clean contacts if needed. Place the old screen aside and compare connectors to the replacement to confirm compatibility before moving on to installation. Reconnect each harness to the new screen, making sure locking tabs click into place and connections are secure. Reconnect the battery only for a short test to power up the display and confirm touch and audio functions work correctly before final assembly. If everything functions, power down, secure the screen with its mounting bolts, and reinstall the trim panels carefully. Finish by fully reconnecting the battery and testing systems once more for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.